Hi everyone. So today we're gonna be making some SpongeBob's cookies.
The SpongeBob SquarePants Pineapple Plunge Cookie Mix. Edible images included. Nickelodeon. Those are the ingredients I'm going to be following. She has everything measured out already. 1/3 cup of vegetable oil. So we're going to put that in. 1/3 of a cup of vegetable oil. And then, what is next? A tablespoon of water. And Julyssa's going to put in the tablespoon of water. Next.
1 egg.
And then start mixing. Good job.
So if you're allergic to pineapples, don't do this because I don't want anybody to get sick or anything else.
Well, I don't know if it's real pineapple or if it's artificial. But yeah, you got a good point. If you have food allergies, have an adult read the ingredients and everything. Because some people are allergic to eggs. Some people are allergic, yeah.
Now it's time to spoon the batter into the pan.
Soft dough.
So we only have a few more left to do.
So, what do you say? We're going to pop these in the oven and come back when
they're finished.
Time to decorate, right?
Yep.
All right.
We're putting the stickers on the cookies.
There you go. And that's how they come. They came in this packet. Open up a pair of scissors and
they come in two different kinds.
2 different designs.
Yep. The one that I like is this one. Because it's so cute.
That's what they look like. She's doing a great job.
Hopefully we have enough stickers.
Good job. Push that one over. There you go.
Onto the other tray.
Okay. No. I got it, honey. I got it. I'm your assistant. I got this. So there's going to be a few left over because I rolled out 2 extra ones. That's perfect.
I accidentally broke that cookie a little.
No, it's okay. Good job. Push that one over. There you go.
Onto the other tray.
That's perfect.
I accidentally broke that cookie a little.
No, it's okay.
Oopsie.
I'm going to move this one because now it's going to be too close. So it's going to bake together. There you go.
Tell me in the comments if you like SpongeBob. Because SpongeBob's funny.
That's good, honey. That's perfect.
Well.
Here you go. Perfect. Almost done, huh?
One more cookie to go.
Those two are very close together, so I'll just move this one to the side like that. There you go.
So there's the last cookie.
Okay, so we're gonna stick them in the oven, and we'll come back to show you the final results and see how Julyssa likes the cookies. We'll taste them. Okay. See you soon.
Yep. We will see you when the cookies are done.
Cookies are out the oven, Julyssa. So what do we have to do?
We have to wait for them to cool down. Yummy.
And we'll be right back.
Yep. Now we're gonna be trying the
Okay.
yummy
I'm
cookies.
gonna do a taste test on the cookies. Julyssa, take one and pass one.
Here you go.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Let me know if you guys like it. It's good?
Tastes like straight up lemon.
Tastes like pineapple to me. I taste a hint of lemon, yes.
Yeah, it tastes pineapple.
So Julyssa, what?
It tastes like pineapple.
Julyssa, does it get a...
It tastes like pineapple and lemon.
So now we give it a thumbs up. You guys could give this video a thumbs up, comment, subscribe, and hit that red notification bell so you can be notified when we have other uploads that will be coming up. Thank you. May you all stay blessed, beautiful, and ciao.
Ciao.